Have you ever pondered what truly lies at the heart of addiction? Addiction is a complex web, woven from more than just substance abuse. It's an intricate tapestry of emotional, psychological, and environmental threads. It's not a one-dimensional issue, but a multifaceted problem requiring a comprehensive understanding. It demands us to look beyond the surface, to examine the deep-seated roots hidden within the folds of human psyche and societal constructs. So, let us delve deeper into these factors that contribute to addiction. Firstly, consider the emotional aspect. How do emotions play a role in addiction? At the heart of addiction often lies unresolved emotional pain, trauma, and stress. These challenging emotions can feel overwhelming, and substances can seem like an escape, a refuge. They provide a temporary relief, a momentary respite. But this escape is fleeting, and in its wake, dependence often takes root. This dependence then grows, feeding on the very emotions it initially helped to mask. Hence, emotional turmoil often lays the groundwork for addiction. Next, we move on to the psychological dimension. How does our mind contribute to addiction? It's essential to understand that mental health disorders such as depression, anxiety, and ADHD can significantly heighten addiction risks. This is often because substances may be misused as a coping mechanism, a way to temporarily alleviate the weight of these conditions. The mind, in its struggle, may inadvertently steer us towards a path of dependency. Therefore, psychological factors significantly contribute to the risk of addiction. Lastly, let's not overlook the environmental factors. How does one's environment foster addiction? It's crucial to understand that elements like peer pressure and exposure to drug use can significantly increase the likelihood of addiction. A lack of social support can further exacerbate this issue, leaving individuals more vulnerable. On the flip side, a supportive environment can act as a safety net, preventing potential pitfalls. Thus, environmental influences can significantly sway one's propensity for addiction. In conclusion, addiction is a complex issue. It intertwines emotional distress, psychological imbalances, and environmental triggers, each factor feeding into the other. Grasping this multifaceted nature is critical. Understanding these root causes is the first step in the journey towards healing from addiction.